I also want to introduce a new feature, which is who's worth a follow. So anybody whose posts you may have seen in the last week, are they worth a follow? Anybody else got a shout out this week, or save it for next week?
Well, just in general, someone to follow. I'm going to say Andrew Moss. He's a regular writer on LinkedIn, and he's probably one of my favourite, I'm going to say, social media writers, because he hasn't, to my knowledge, he's never written a book. But equally, I like his content. I like his pace. I like the topics he picks up. Some of it gets quite nerdy, right? It is, he will literally be there going, have you noticed this icon has 3 additional pixels that this icon, which should be the same, doesn't? And you're like, oh, I never knew that.
Into the weeds.
So yeah, like he's deep. It is. But equally, in the user interface, he picks up things which I've never even noticed, and then goes, "Why is there this inconsistency here?" And I'm like, I don't know. I've never even noticed it. But there's lots of things that he picks up, and Andrew Moss. I don't always agree with everything he says, which is one of the best things, right? When you can you can follow somebody. You say, I don't agree with everything he says, but that's great. I can learn from him.
He's been a good collaborative whinger with me in the past. Normally, if he sees I've commented on something whinging, he's straight in afterwards, like, yeah, let's go. Whinge. Love it.